Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to enable DRM or protected content in the Chrome mobile app. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. DRM stands for Digital Rights Management. It's a technology used to control access to and use of digital media like movies, music, eBooks, software, and games. It encrypts the content and manages who can access and use it. Protected content in Google Chrome means restricts those who can access and use the content, aiming to prevent unauthorized copying or distribution. To enable protected content or DRM in Google Chrome on mobile, first, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Once Chrome is open, look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. Tap on these dots to open the browser menu. A pop-up menu appears. Scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tap on it to access the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, you'll see various options. Scroll down until you find Site Settings and tap on it. In the Site Settings menu, look for the Protected Content and tap on it. Now, you will be able to see three options. Option 1, Allowed. Option 2, Ask First. Option 3, Blocked. I recommended using Ask First. If you select Ask First, Chrome asks you to confirm before allowing websites to play protected content. This action allows Chrome to handle protected content. Once enabled, Chrome now asks you to display or not the protected content when you encounter it while browsing. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.